Have mercy on me, O God, not because I deserve it, but because you are merciful. This is not a proud prayer. This is a broken one. I come to you with nothing to hide. No excuses, no defenses, only truth. I know my failures. They echo in my mind. They follow me into the quiet hours of the night. My sin is not distant. It stands right in front of me. Against you, God, I have fallen short, not just in what I did, but in who I became when I turned away from you. You desire truth deep within me, not appearances, not empty religion. You look past the words and into the heart. So wash me, not on the surface, but all the way through, clean. What I cannot fix, heal. What I cannot reach, make me new again. Create in me a clean heart, O God, not a repaired heart, not a patched heart, a new one. Renew a steady spirit within me when my thoughts are unstable, when my will is weak, when my soul feels tired. Do not cast me away from your presence. I can survive failure. I cannot survive without you. Restore to me the joy of your salvation, not the happiness of comfort, but the deep joy of being forgiven, the joy of being known and still loved. Then I will speak of your mercy, not as someone perfect, but as someone redeemed. You do not delight in empty sacrifices. You are not impressed by performance. What you want is a broken and humble heart. And that is what I bring. Hear this prayer, not because it is beautiful, but because it is honest. Amen.